Hi, my name is Donagh Berry and I'm an animal breeder here at Teagasc in Moore Park. Irish agriculture is one of the most carbon efficient producers of milk in the world. And animal breeding is really very simple. So what farmers do is they identify essentially their favourite cows and bulls and they mate the two of them together. And while favourite means different things to different people, for farmers it generally means more productive animals that are also healthy and live a good, healthy lifetime. This is the most common dairy breed in Ireland. It's called the Holstein Friesian. They're black and white animals, but these animals are particular for Ireland in that we have bred them to be efficient converters of this grass into nutritious dairy products for the Irish and global consumer. Animal breeding, what it has delivered over the past few years is that in the last 20 years our cows are now 14% more carbon efficient at producing milk, and we see this actually accelerating in the next few years as we build and develop and deploy an armoury of tools available to us to select more efficient animals into the future.